C++ is a great programming language for video games. Its main disadvantage is that each time you make a change in your application and you want to see the result on the screen, it takes a few minutes to build. Welcome to HotReload. HotReload is a tool for C++ developers that allows you to make changes in real time and see the results in seconds. Your development projects will be more competitive in the market with focused developers, better products, and more budget flexibility. HotReload means using all the power of your own C++ game engine in a more efficient way. It even works for your server-side projects. And it also allows you to run live code on multiple devices for multi-platform development on iOS, Android, and video game consoles at the same time. Imagine using C++ without wasting time on building and deployment. Try HotReload today with your own applications on hotreload.tech.